Sobrang ganda, sobrang saya din.
Okay, going.
Okay, going. Ayan. Comment okay going if you guys are coming.
Comment okay going if you're
Okay,
going,
going.
okay? Kiana, can I see you at the airport? Of course, my love, anytime. Just don't bring weapons, okay? Because that's illegal.
They're going. Yeah, they're going. Oh, not going ba? Why is that? Sige, dito.
May
There's no point in the
nag-ano,
crowd.
okay, not going, ibablock mo to. Yung mga not going, block yan. Si Sachi, ayan, isa siya na hindi nag-going. Si Ravy Jane de la Vega. De la Vega. Sino pa? Sino pa hindi go dyan? When ang tickets selling Zimba? Oh my God! Birthday show ni Zimba!
Funny yun, oh my God. Okay.
Mag-birthday show din ako, pero hindi siya isang araw.
1 week.
1 week siya. So, every week yung performance.
Yeah. So your first set, Monday.
Monday muna.
Opening pa.
Opening pa lang yon. Tapos, Tuesday, first set.
Ano pa lang? Hindi pa first set.
Hindi, ano pa eh. Dapat merong ano eh.
Ano pa yun?
Ay, may program tayo. So, ano muna,
Pre-show.
national
Pre-show
anthem, prayers, tapos introduction of the
Okay.
the celebrant, and then message, family message.
Wow, debut.
Tapos sa Monday, 18 candles.
Okay.
Yeah, so Tuesday, 18 treasures.
Okay. Treasures? Ano yung treasures?
Gift.
Okay.
Hala, you've never been to a debut?
Yes, I haven't been in any debut. Sorry.
You uncultured bitch.
Hindi pa ako nakapagbigay ng roses. Hindi pa ako nakapagbigay ng gift.
Totoo ba? That's so sad. Actually, that's a sad story.
I know. I had the worst childhood and the worst senior high school life.
Alam mo, wag mo ako
Kaya
sisimulan sa
when
worst
I met
childhood.
you,
Kaya kitang taasan dyan sa worst childhood mo. Wag mo ako simulan sa mga ganyan. Huwag ka mag-trauma dump dito.
Okay.
Iiyakan tayo dito.
Oh.